Welcome back. Today, we're unboxing and exploring the PIE1330 Portable Industrial Endoscope, a game-changer for detailed inspections. Let's dive in. Let's unbox the PIE1330. It comes in a durable, shockproof case, ideal for transport and storage. Inside, you'll find the instruction manual, which provides detailed guidance for easy setup and smooth operation of the device. Here is the sturdy stand, designed to stabilize the endoscope during use, ensuring steady and accurate inspections. The package includes a charging cable and adapter, ensuring that your device remains powered up and ready for use at all times, no matter where you are. The package also includes a 32 GB pen drive, perfect for storing and transferring all your inspection photos and videos. The included HDMI cable allows you to connect the device to larger screens, making it much easier to view and analyze inspection footage in greater detail. This ensures that every aspect of your inspection is visible on a bigger display, enhancing your ability to spot even the smallest issues. This 3.9mm probe wire, with a built-in camera at the tip, is both waterproof and oil-resistant, ensuring durability and reliable performance in various challenging environments. Here's the main device, featuring a vibrant 5-inch HD display that provides clear and detailed visuals. This high-quality screen makes inspections easier and more precise, allowing you to see every detail with clarity. Powering it on, we immediately notice the bright, high-definition screen that delivers sharp and clear visuals, perfect for detailed inspections. The camera probe offers full 360 degrees rotation, allowing for comprehensive inspections by enabling you to view every angle with ease. This ensures that no detail goes unnoticed, providing you with a thorough and detailed analysis of the inspection area. The adjustable LED lights on the probe ensure excellent visibility, even in the darkest and most confined spaces, allowing for thorough inspections. The zoom function lets you focus on intricate details, ensuring that even the smallest components are clearly visible and can be thoroughly inspected. Easily change angles for thorough inspections, allowing you to navigate through complex structures and tight spaces with precision. Adjust settings like date, time, language, and resolution to suit your specific needs, making the device versatile and user-friendly. Capture high-quality photos and videos with a simple click, ensuring that you have detailed documentation of your inspections for further analysis. Let's insert the camera into a pipe for a live demo. Notice the smooth navigation and the clear visuals provided by the high-resolution camera, making it easy to inspect hard-to-reach areas. At the end of the device handle, you can see green lights indicating the battery percentage, so you're always aware of your power levels and can ensure the device is ready for use at all times. The device includes ports for HDMI, charger, and SD card, ensuring seamless operation by allowing easy connectivity, charging, and expandable storage options. The detach button allows you to remove the lower handle, adding versatility and making the device more adaptable to various inspection scenarios. For more information and to get your own, visit our website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching.